Yeah, it's going to be warm, but it's going to be dry. And the air really dried out today, so it was even a difference from Sunday, which was better than Friday and Saturday. So it's been nice, and I think that sticks around. Temps topped out at 90 today. Our average high has now dropped down to 89, but we were pretty close to where we should be, but still on the warm side. So as part of our changing climate setup here, I wanted to show you, look at these dots that you see here. You see all the red dots, including a lot of the Northeast, most of central and southern Florida, not all of it, especially the northern plains and parts of the Midwest. Those red dots, folks that just had the top 10 hottest summers, June, July, and August. We call that meteorological summer. The orange dots, hottest ever. When you average the temperature day and night in those areas out west, had the hottest ever. Now, this is just for Tampa. This is the 90s, the 2000s, 2010s, everything in the last 30 years. When I come on TV and I say, hey, we had a record today, record temperature, over 80% of those have been record high temperatures. We're not getting a lot of record low temperatures. And if you look at just the streak of 90 days, pretty much our summers, right? 90 degrees after 90 degrees after 90 degrees. Look when you're going back about 50 years, 1970, look at that average. It's just getting warmer. And this is just the data. So yeah, it was another hot one out there. Our average temperature at Tampa officially was just below 85 degrees this summer. It's one of the hottest, one of our top 10, obviously. Now looking ahead, it does look a little bit warmer up to the north, but we'll be actually near average, which is upper 80s to near 90, and that's what basically most of my forecast looks like coming ahead. So that's going to be nice. We are looking at nice and clear and dry conditions outside. 81 degrees, 65-degree dew point. That's the key. This morning, look at, we had 63 in Brooksville, 66 in Crystal River. Most areas were, though, upper 60s to near 70. Most of those numbers will be in the 60s tonight. 80 still in Safety Harbor, 75 in Brandon, 72 in Zephyr Hills. Anywhere around the water's 85, 87 degrees, somewhere in that range. It's going to stay warm there, but with dew points in the 60s and change, still drying out. Last 24 hours, we're 7 degrees drier in Tampa than what we were 24 hours ago. Obviously not going to have showers or storms. We'll have to worry about that. So the forecast is pretty quick. Down through the 70s, into the upper 60s. This is for Tampa, but most areas, look at all these 60s on the map. Newport Richey, Land O'Lakes, Plant City, Mulberry, Bartow, even down to Sebring, it's just around the immediate water where you'll wake up a little bit warmer tomorrow morning. So tomorrow morning is going to be absolutely gorgeous. We're going to go into the upper 80s to near 90 for a daytime high. Cool off at the beach if you can. If you need to, it's 86 degrees. Tropic skies, Sam's way out there. We don't need to worry about. There are 2 other waves we're watching. They're out by Africa at this point. No threat to us at this particular point. Look at that 7-day forecast. The weekend, very small rain chance.